Hi and welcome to the Learn Awadhi language YouTube channel. This is the 5th lesson and today we will be learning some basic sentences that can be used in a market. So let's begin with the first sentence. Where is the vegetable shop? सब्जी के दुकान कहाँ बा? और सब्जी के दुकनिया कहाँ बा? Since दुकान or the shop is feminine, we can use दुकनिया और दुकान. What is the cost of papaya? पपीता के दाम कितना है? Now here papita is masculine, so you can also call papita as papituva. पपीतुआ के दाम कितना है? I want to purchase some juice. हमका तनी जूस खरीदेगा बा. Give me a glass of orange juice. हमका एक गिलास जूस दे दिया और हमका एक गिलास संतरे के जूस दे दिया. Did you drink the juice? If you are talking to someone who is elder than you, you can use आप जूस पी ले हैं. And if you are speaking to someone who is of your age, you can use this. तू जूस पी ले हा. Did he come to the shop? वो दुकान पे आवा और वो दुकान पे आइस. Orange shop is ahead. संतरा के दुकान आ गया है. What all fruits are you selling? आप कौन कौन फल बेचता है? और तू कौन कौन फल बेचता है? I got the fruits at wholesale rates. हम थोक के भाव फल लावा ही. This is the largest market in the town. इस शहर के सबसे बड़ी बाजार है. So these were the 10 sentences that can be used in a market. If you want to learn more sentences of Awadhi language, you can go to learnawadhilanguage.blogspot.com, and if you want any sentences to be translated in Awadhi language, you can just comment and we will try to help you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.